Today we are going to go over the basics of writing a paragraph. Today we'll learn how to write a paragraph and cover any questions that you might have when you form your first paragraph. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is a paragraph? You might have heard of a paragraph before, but what exactly is it? That is something we are going to cover in this lesson. I'll give you a second to momentarily think about what a paragraph is and where you may have heard that word before. Well, class, a paragraph is a group of sentences that are about a single idea. So these sentences are put together and they're going to talk about a single idea or a word we have used before called topic. So once you figure out a topic or an idea to write about, all these sentences will be grouped together to form a paragraph that is about that single idea. Let's go on to further see what a paragraph is made of. So what exactly does a paragraph need? Well, it needs three main parts. First, an opening sentence, then you'll need the details, and last, you'll need a closing sentence. This is a way to bring in the reader, give them good details and information, and a way to send the reader off understanding your topic. Let's venture in further. First, we have an opening sentence. A way I like to visualize this is like you're walking into a room and either you open the door or someone opens the door for you. In order to step into that room, there has to be something inviting or intriguing that makes you want to come in. Just like in a paragraph, we need that opening sentence to really draw our readers in. It needs to be interesting in order for them to want to read more, and it needs to state your topic. This is so the reader knows what they're going to be reading about, and they're able to understand what the rest of the paragraph is going to follow as. An example of a great opening sentence is, let's get the idea of hot chocolate. A good opening sentence for a paragraph about hot chocolate would be, my favorite drink is a nice toasty cup of creamy hot chocolate. This opening sentence lets a reader know that we're going to be talking about a favorite drink of hot chocolate. And not only does it just state that your favorite drink is hot chocolate, it really goes in to describe readers to bring them into your paragraph with the words toasty and creamy. This is a way to make the readers want to hear more about that cup of hot chocolate. The next thing you need after opening an opening sentence is the details. Details are descriptive ideas about the topic. They're related to the topic. So since we're talking about hot chocolate, we cannot go off the path of hot chocolate. We have to stay on talking about hot chocolate in order to stay on topic and to keep our readers understanding and to keep them interested. And just like our next bullet point, it helps them understand more about our topic. So these details are going to describe or tell why. They're going to let the reader know a little bit more. And the general rule of thumb is we need at least 3 details in order to make it clear to the reader. Here's an example. I love hot chocolate because it warms me up when I come in from the cold. Hot chocolate has a rich flavor that makes me want more. I enjoy my hot chocolate with marshmallows on top to add to the taste. These are 3 details of why I think hot chocolate is my favorite drink. Notice that the details help link to a reader's taste, touch, sight, different senses. In the first detail, it talks about warming them up. So that's a feeling that they get is warm. The next one is the rich flavor. That is going towards their sense of taste. And in the last one, they like marshmallows on top. That also adds to the taste, but also the sight of what it looks like. You can see those marshmallows melting in that hot chocolate. These details make it even more descriptive for the reader to read about and make them maybe want a cup of hot chocolate. Finally, we need a closing sentence. A closing sentence is a way to shut the door on the readers, a way to have them go out and have everything they need to know about that topic. Another way to visualize it is a wrapped present. You're wrapping up the ideas. You have all the goods inside of the box, and now you need to wrap it up. So the Somebody's ready to open it up and read it. And it's a way to end for the readers, or a way to say kind of goodbye, in a sense. A way to shut off your paragraph and have the readers content with what you wrote. An example closing sentence would be, I can't wait to drink a nice warm glass of creamy hot chocolate. This is getting the readers able to know that you're done with your paragraph, but you're excited to drink the next creamy cup of hot chocolate. So here's our paragraph. I have kept the opening sentence up top in blue and the closing sentence at the end in blue to really show you the beginning, how we open our paragraph, and the ending and how we close our paragraph. I kept our details in the middle in black. These will further help be descriptive for our readers. Let's read our paragraph together. My favorite drink is a nice toasty cup of creamy hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate because it warms me up when I come in from the cold. Hot chocolate has a rich flavor that makes me want more. I enjoy my hot chocolate with marshmallows on top to add to the taste. I can't wait to drink a nice warm glass of creamy hot chocolate. And that wraps up a great paragraph. We have let's go back. We have an opening sentence, we have our details, and we have our closing sentence to leave the reader satisfied. I can't wait for you to start your first paragraph. I encourage you to write about something you really enjoy about so you're able to add those descriptive details. I can't wait to read your paragraphs.